What we've got here today is a 997880X-3. This is a 12mm bobtail nose assembly for an SF20 tool. And what we're going to do today is show the consumable items. One is going to be the anvil, and what you'll do is you notice scarring on the ID and damage to the collar as well, one on the installation of the fastener. And then second will be the puller itself. And what we do is we normally measure the flats, and they should measure 173 on all three of them. This puller is normally worn after about 10 thousandths of wear. So when you get down to 0.163, 165, your puller is wore out. It's time to change and put a new one on. And in that process, all you do is break the jam nut loose and unscrew the puller. Replace it, reusing the same jam nut, and you're good to go. And just remember, these are left-handed threads. And normally what I like to do is I like to bottom it out and then tighten up the jam nut. And we'll do this on the tool as well.